right, guys, it's Austin with FitPro Tracker, and guess what? We are going over the #1 video in this Club Ready migration setup walkthrough. This is going to be video #1. It is under the All Collections FitPro Tracker billing, Club Ready migration, and setup walkthrough 1 through 16 video articles. It's going to be video #1, migration overview, FitPro Tracker, Club Ready data, and exit process. So this is going to be going over the first video of the migration overview, what to do, how to prep, and get ready for this migration. So here we are. There are a couple of things that you need, that you must do before this migration. And the first thing is make sure that your merchant application is approved. What does that mean? Well, if you have any questions, we have the help article linked, so click right here. But if you go into your FitPro Tracker, go to your billing section and make sure you filled out your merchant application. If you want to see what the status is, click merchant status, and it needs to say manually approved. What that means is your billing, your account, your merchant account has been manually approved. We have sent you a email saying, hey, you're good to go. You're ready to rock and roll. You can use the billing feature. When it says manually approved, that means you can start building your memberships, membership categories, and using the billing feature because that account is set up. So that has to be done first. Then the next thing is make sure that your active members and trials list from Club Ready, that you have your members and trials list from Club Ready. How do you do that? How do you get that? Well, if you click right here, it's going to bring you to this page that will say, hey, this is how you get your Club Ready active members and trials list. And it'll walk you through how to do that. So that is #2. The next thing is create your memberships that are in FitPro Tracker's system based on what you have in Club Ready. So what you are using in Club Ready, we want to make sure that you have those same memberships inside FitPro Tracker, because when we do the migration, it's going to ask you, hey, want to make sure, and then you can easily match which ones. So if it's in Club Ready membership and it's called, Unlimited Weekly, make sure in FitPro Tracker it's called Unlimited Weekly. Now, if you want to condense them, you can then have the option to pick and choose which one the Unlimited Weekly from Club Ready goes inside FitPro Tracker. Again, if you want more information about this, click the little help article and video. Then next thing, and I would suggest, guys, for this, you want to do this 2-3 weeks in advance, but is setting up and inviting your iLive.fit. What does that look like? Well, you want to go inside your FitPro Tracker. You're going to go into your locations. Then you want to go into the iLive.fit portal and invite all your members and trials. Make sure you invite all your members and trials. What will happen is you will then have, it will send out an email and a text message to those contacts to accept and be able to go in and create their own profile for their custom portal in the iLive.fit, which is connected to your FitPro Tracker. Moving on, we're going to be going over setting up the kiosk and class schedule. Make sure you read and watch the video that is right there in the help article, because it's going to go over setting up that kiosk, but then creating a class schedule that your clients will then be booking in iLive.fit. The next thing is setting up your POS system, your point of sales, where your contacts and your clients are able to buy proteins and t-shirts, and it's that point of sale system inside FitPro Tracker. There is also a new feature that you can bulk upload as well. Then last but not least, make sure you remove your bi-weekly agreements that you have in Club Ready before you start the migration process. This is the system cannot do bi-weekly agreements. So make sure you do that. Then we'll go over into the next thing. If you have any questions, please send them through the customer help center down here in the bottom right-hand side. Don't email, call, or text, because there's going to be multiple people working on your migration. So we need to make a ticket. And so when you do write in, please add the title, migration, and your location name on your question so we can easily identify and assign to whatever group that you are with, because you are our number one priority during this migration. Remember, on your migration week, please ensure you review the following steps. We have premium migration support. So that means that your questions will take priority when we are working with the technical team and serving in your migration. In order to best serve you, please send all your migration questions through the Customer Help Center like we talked about before, using the bottom right-hand side corner for the Help Center. We won't answer emails. We will, but it will take a long time, but we need to make these tickets. So if you have questions or there's a bug, it really, really helps if you use the Help Center, because then we then put it into level 2 and then into level 3 if it needs to get escalated. So we can't do that through the email. It just really messes up our system. So please use the Help Center. Then please send your migration questions between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to ensure a quicker response. Now, we'll still be around after that. Now, if it's crazy late, no, I'll be asleep. But please just in between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. because we're also working with the development team and the engineer team, and they do leave. So you'll be asking me questions and I won't be able to fix it because I'm just the front person. Then the next is please send your questions with the title, migration, and your location name, just so we can organize these questions that are coming in. And please make sure that you only send questions if you are from your gym. So, because this is premium migration support, and we need to have an assigned contact for your location. If you have like 6 staff members that are trying to send us questions, it really messes it up. So we just need one point person. And then please do not send any migration questions to any other FitPro Tracker team members. Just make sure you use the Help Center, because you are actually dedicated to multiple groups, or to one group to have multiple people inside that one group helping for your one location. Again, guys, this is Austin with FitPro Tracker. We are so excited that you guys are going to be joining us on this migration process. It is awesome. It's kick butt, and we are super excited to have you guys go through it. And it's going to be one awesome, fun ride. And it's been great. We've seen some great success with it, and we can't wait to help you out. So again, have a wonderful day. Please let us know if you have any questions. And as always, down the bottom right-hand side, let us know if you have any questions. We are always here to help you out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.